Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Raka Prastia Bagus Jatikusuma. I'm an English teacher of SMPN 45 Surabaya. And now, I'm a student of Pendidikan Profesi Guru in University of Islam Malang. Today, I would like to share my teaching and learning process. And this activity is taken on Tuesday, 13th of December 2022. And here is my registration card. In today's meeting, I'm going to teach report text for grade 9. The teaching practicum will be using problem-based learning model assisted with Kahoot and word wall game strategy. And here is the video.
Get ready. Stand up. Greet the teacher. Good morning, Pak Raka.
Okay, good morning students. Captain, please lead the prayer first.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's we pray together. Pray, start. Finish. Sit down.
Okay, you can sit down. Okay, students, it's good to see you again today. Yeah, how are you?
I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm ready.
Okay, great job. Yeah, so I want to check the attendance first, yeah, because I see somebody is not here. Who is absent today? Oh, Floren. Yeah, okay. So we hope and we pray that she is okay, yeah, at home, and she will be joining us soon at the next lesson. Okay, students, before we go to the main activity, ya, Pak Raka want to ask you about last meeting activity. Who is still remember what did our activity last meeting? Okay, Nadia.
Report text about the plan.
Okay, report text about a plan. Good job. What is the title of the plan?
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Okay, good job. Next question, yeah. What is report text? Yeah, Farhan.
Report text is describing something in general based on facts.
Okay, good job. Yeah, report text is a text that describe about something in general. Ya, great. Ya, jadi text report itu bisa kita gunakan untuk memperoleh informasi tentang suatu benda, hewan atau mungkin tanaman. Ya, jadi kita dapat informasi-informasi secara umum dari text report. Before we go to the main activity, Pak Raka will explain about our learning objectives today. Kita akan mempelajari tentang tujuan pembelajarannya dulu, supaya kita nanti di akhir pembelajaran bisa mendapatkan atau menguasai kemampuan-kemampuan bahasa Inggris yang kita pelajari. Okay, so let's see here, ya, the learning objectives. Yang pertama, melalui beberapa teks yang berbeda, kalian nanti mampu membandingkan beberapa teks report dengan teks jenis lainnya. Kemudian yang kedua, nanti kita menggunakan media permainan word wall, dan kalian diharapkan bisa menentukan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks report. Yang ketiga, melalui diskusi kelompok, kalian nanti dapat mengidentifikasi dan menjelaskan, ya, struktur teks, fungsi sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan teks report. Okay, is there any question? No? Okay, great job. Nah, so before we go deeper to our activity, I want to give you more motivation. Ya, Pak Raka ingin memberikan motivasi lebih lagi dengan melakukan ice breaking. Ya, we will do ice breaking. Ya, this is my favorite part, and I think it's your favorite part too. Ya, are you ready for this? Okay, I will give you instruction. Jadi Pak Raka menyebutnya ice breakingnya adalah 1, 2, 3. Ya, why? Because I will mention the number. Pak Raka akan menyebutkan angkanya. Kalian akan melakukan gerakan sesuai dengan yang disebutkan. Ya, for example, if I mention 1, you'll do clapping, ya, only once, because 1, and then zoo. Ya, if I say 2, you do 2 claps. Yes. And if I say 3, you claps 3 times and do this. Cool. And mention, yeah, like zoo. Yes. Cool. Do you understand that? Ready? Oke, kita sambil exercising bergerak badannya ya. Oke. Nah. Oke. The first one, let's try. 1, zoo. Okay. 2, yes. Okay. 3, cool. Okay, good job. Now I will combine the number. Yeah. So please do the following instruction. 1, 2, zoo. Yes. 1, 3, zoo. Cool. Okay, good job. Next. 1, 1, 2. Zoo. Zoo. Yes. Okay, next. 2, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. Cool. Okay. Next. 1, 1, 3. Zoo. Zoo. Cool. Okay, good. The last one. 1, 2, 3. Zoo. Yes. Cool. Okay, great job. Excellent. Yeah, I think we get exercising ya this morning. Ya, jadi kita lebih bersemangat lagi. Okay, now we go to the main activity. Yeah, I will show you a video about an animal. Please watch and learn the information that is shown in the video. Jadi nanti kalian ingat-ingat informasi apa saja yang ditunjukkan dalam video, karena nanti Pak Raka akan memberikan pertanyaan terkait hal tersebut. Ya, oke, ready? Oke, let's play.
And now, it's time for some more amazing animals. Number 333, the amazing African lion. Ah, good morning, or is it good afternoon? Who cares? I'm lying down anyway. Oh, that was tiring. This is the African lion, king of the jungle, which is odd because they don't live in jungles. Today you can find lions in a small region of India, but mostly in Africa, in a few places south of the Sahara Desert.
Yeah, king of the desert doesn't sound quite so good.
Lions are the only cats to live together in big family groups called prides.
Hank! Hank!
What?
Watch the kids. I'm going to work.
Keep your tail on. Most of the pride is made up of lionesses. They do most of the hunting. Lionesses are excellent stealth predators and very loving mums.
Mom, when I grow up, I want to be a cub reporter. He's definitely your son.
Stop being so catty. And what does the male lion do? He has a big hairy mane and that. I guess you could say I have the raw talent. Yes, the roar is very important, warning off other lions in their territory, and it keeps everyone together. Where did everybody go? Did you know that lions love fast food? Don't forget the fries. They might be big, ferocious pussycat predators, but the African lion is undoubtedly an amazing animal.
Okay, so that is the video, yeah. And what do you think? What do you see in the video? Safira, what do you see in the video?
Lions.
Okay, it's about lions. Yeah. So Safira, where the animals usually lives?
Africa's savanna desert.
Okay. So in Africa, savanna. Jadi padang savana, ya. So don't mistaken with tiger, ya. If tiger lives in jungle, but lions live in savannah. I have next question here. What do they have, or what are their parts of body, Ardita?
Fur, claws, forelegs, and tail.
Okay. And if you notice, kalau kalian tadi memperhatikan, ada satu hal yang sangat menarik in the male lion. The male lion, singa yang jantan memiliki apa? Mane. Ya, mane itu rambut yang membedakan dengan singa betina. Ya, that is called mane. Ya, mahkota kalau mahkota tapi berupa rambut ya kalau singa. Okay. So, the last one, what do the lions eat?
Meat or deer.
Okay, meat or deer, or maybe sometimes a giraffe. Ya, but it's still meat, yeah, the meat of the giraffe or meat of the buffaloes, meat of the deer, yeah, something like that. Okay, so that is the information about the lions. And now I'm going to ask you about, still in the video, yeah, what do you think of the video? If we write them in form of a text, is it report text or descriptive text? Anybody? Rizky?
Yes. Report text,
Report text. Why do you think so?
because in video it shown general information about the lions.
Okay, because the video show us general information about lions. Good job. Yeah, because if you write descriptive text, you don't need to show general information. Yeah, you just mention the color of the fur, for example, the number of the legs. You don't have to mention where do the lions live, yeah, how many are the lions in the savannas. You don't need to mention the data. You just mention the specific. It is descriptive. But if it is report, you have to mention the data, ya, datanya. Ya, misalkan mereka habitatnya di mana, terus jumlah populasinya berapa. Nah, itu yang membedakan antara deskriptif dengan report text. Is that clear enough? Okay, good job. Ya. Now, I want you to do a games. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, so you will do the games. Yeah, I call the games word wall, maze, chase. I have already sent the link to your WhatsApp group. Okay, try to open the link. Have you done it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now write down your name, your nickname. Yeah. Your nickname. Yeah. If you have already write down your nickname, now please click start and do the games, yeah, as instructed there. Okay. Yeah, for those who get the first number will get a reward from Pak Raka. Jadi nanti yang dapat peringkat 1, 2, dan 3 akan mendapatkan reward dari Pak Raka. So do your best. Okay, 3 more students left. 3 more students left. Who will get the first rank? Okay, time's up. Yeah, time's up. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, stop doing the games. The time is up. Now let's see the result. Kita lihat hasilnya ya. Siapa yang menjadi tercepat di sini? Kita lihat dulu skor rangkumannya. Di sini the fastest one is Nadia Ivana. Ya. 20 seconds. Wow, it's very quick. And here is what we are waiting for. Ya, rank 1, 2, 3. Let's see. The first one is Nadia. Give big applause. Yeah. The second one is Muhammad Rizky. Yeah, give big applause. The last one, Hizkia. Give big applause. Yeah, great job. Jadi juara satunya Nadia, kedua Rizky, ketiga Hizkia. Okay, good job. I will give you a golden star reward here. Yeah. So this is the reward. You have to collect them and you can change with the real reward later. Okay, so this is the game. Yeah. So basically at that game you have to compare. Kalian harus membandingkan antara satu teks, jenis teks yang berbeda, apakah itu report text atau teks deskriptif, recount, dan lain-lain. Nah, di sini Pak Raka akan sedikit diskusikan. Ya. So, this is the text that you do in the games. The first one, pigeon refers to all birds of the family Columbidicans, order of columbiforms. Yeah, what do you think? It is report or descriptive? Report text. Yeah. So the purpose is to present. Second one, Jane is my best friend. She is 15 years old. What is it? The purpose? To describe in. Yeah, to describe about people specifically. Ya, secara khusus. And the third one, honeybee refers to some species. Nah, this is what is it? The purpose? Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job Safira. Giving information in general. The last one, what is it? Yeah, recount text. It is telling us about past experience. So that is the activity for the games. Now we move to the next activity. Ya, this one is group activity. Ini adalah kegiatan kelompok. Nah, Pak Raka di sini sudah membentuk kelompok kalian sesuai dengan hasil tes yang Pak Raka lakukan pada pertemuan sebelumnya. Jadi sudah Pak Raka kelompok-kelompokkan yang kemarin dapat nilai tinggi campur dengan nilai yang medium dan low. Jadi tidak ada satu kelompok yang nilainya kemarin tinggi semua. Jadi berbeda-beda karena apa? Nanti dalam satu kelompok supaya seimbang. Oke? Nah, activity-nya para kakak akan bagikan menggunakan worksheet ini. Ya, silahkan dilihat dulu. Please open the page, ya, page 3. Silakan kalian buka halaman 3 about the lions. There is a text about lions over there. Jadi ada teks tentang lions. So just like last meeting I mean, ya, you have to identify the text. Kalian harus mengidentifikasi teksnya, menentukan social function, kemudian generic structure, dan yang terakhir language features. Ya, in that worksheet I have already provide you with the materials. So try to discuss with your groups. Diskusikan dengan kelompok kalian untuk mengisi analisa atau identifikasi teks tersebut. Are you ready? Any question? Okay, you can start now. Any question about the worksheet, the text? Okay, can you decide which one is the generic structure? Okay, yeah. Have you found the generic structure in the material? Yeah. Okay, good job. If you have question later, you can ask me. Okay, yeah. Welcome. Okay, so do you know the title about lions? What is lions?
One is animal.
Yeah. The main text about lions, you have to mention the definition first. Lions is, that is the, what is it? The features, the special features of report text. Ya, ada definisinya. Lions is, kemudian misalkan elephant is. Nah, jadi ada definisinya dulu. Itu disebut general classification. Okay, next discuss with your group. And if you have any question, you feel free to ask me. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Can you decide the generic structure already? Yeah. So what do you think the general classification? What is inside the general classification? What do you think?
Definitions about lions.
Okay, good. Definition about the object we describe. Jadi ada definisinya. Seperti itu. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay? Yeah. Okay, Rizky's group. Is there any question, Rizky? Okay. About the language features. What are the language features of report text? Can you read them?
So the language feature that we got from the report text is 5. There are simple present tense, then relating verb, general noun, technical terms, and action verbs.
Okay, good job. Yeah. Can your group present later about this one, language features?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Of course.
You will present about the language features of the report text.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
Job.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, Alisa, you seems done with the generic structure. Yeah. How about later you present the social function and generic structure of the report text over there? Okay, good job. Yeah, please prepare with your groups. Okay, I think the time is up. Now it's time to present your findings. Jadi silakan nanti kalian presentasikan tentang apa yang sudah kalian temukan melalui teks tersebut, ya. So who wants to present first? Okay, Alisa. Yeah, Alisa will be present first, and then the second one. Okay, Rizky's group. Okay, ready? Okay, please present in front of the class.
Hello everyone. So my name is Isaken Sondak, and this is my group. Today we will present about identify the text. The social function of the text is to present the description of lions in general. and the title is lion. So we will move on to the generic structure. The first one is general classification. Lions are the second biggest big cat species in the world.
Okay, yeah, keep big applause. Yeah. So that is the presentation from Alisa's group. Now I will give you chance to give comment, question, yeah, or response to your friend's presentation. Can you repeat again, Ilham? What is the social function of Alisa's group's presentation?
To present the description of lion in general.
Okay, so the social function of the text is to present lions in general. To present, to give information, to describe lions in general. Okay, good job, Ilham. You can go back. Yeah, so anyone who wants to give comments, response or question to Rizky's group? Yeah, Dava?
Can you explain to me about relating verb?
Okay, the question from Dava, can you explain about what is relating verb is?
So the relating verbs is have similar meaning with the to be, like is, am, and are, also was and were. So that's all that I got notice the meaning of relating verbs.
Okay, good job. Yeah, but Paraka here want to add something. Jadi relating verb itu adalah mirip seperti to be. Ada is, am, are, was, were. So the verbs connect between subject and the object. Jadi menghubungkan antara subjek dengan objek secara langsung. Sebetulnya tidak hanya to be saja, tetapi bisa kata kerja seperti likes. Likes itu adalah relating verbs. Ya, seperti itu. Ya. Oke. Now, give big applause to Rizky's group. Yeah. That is the presentation from your friends. Yeah, some of the groups have already presented their findings. Now, it's time to check your understanding. Ya, we will do a test. Ya, kita akan melakukan tes, tapi di sini tesnya menggunakan Kahoot. Ya, have you ever been using Kahoot?
No.
Never?
No.
Okay, this is your first time, right? Nah, okay, what you have to do first, open your browser and type kahoot.it. Already? Okay, the second one, I will give you game pin. And just like the games before, I will give you a reward if you can get the first rank, second rank, and the third rank. You can input the pin here, 6935928. And you can join to Kahoot. Ya, jangan khawatir, nanti kita akan mulai bersama. I will wait until everybody join the Kahoot. Ready?
Ready.
I will start now. Okay, the correct answer is an elephant. This is the scoreboard. Archita get the first place, yeah. But wait, it's still just one question. Masih bisa menyusul. Next. Okay, let's see the final result. Who got the first rank? Let's see here. The podium, Chelsea. Nadia. And the first one is Hizkia. Yeah. So that is the activity. Yeah. You have already understood some of the materials. Ya. Jadi tadi tesnya untuk memahamkan kalian tentang materi yang kalian sudah pelajari dari awal tadi. Ya. Nah, tadi Pak Raka simpulkan sedikit. The conclusion of the material is that the report text is salah satu jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yang menjelaskan secara umum, informasi secara umum. So that is the material for today. But before that, yeah, I want to ask you something about today's activity. Anyone still remember what do we do today? Okay, Dava.
We do the
first one
is watching the video.
Okay, watching the video.
Do the game.
Okay.
And the third one is analyze the text, and the last is do the test using Kahoot.
Oke, good one. Jadi kita melakukan beberapa aktivitas hari ini. Yang pertama, watching the video. The second one, we do the games, word games. The third one, we analyze the text. And the last one, we do the test using Kahoot. Okay? So what do you think today's activity?
Cool.
Yeah, it's fun, yeah? Yeah, okay, good job. Yeah. Is there any difficulties?
No.
No. So you have already understood. Sudah paham semuanya ya?
Yeah.
Okay. And I have to remind you, next activity will be the passive voice. So prepare. You have to learn from the book, chapter 10. Okay. Before we end the meeting, please, Captain, lead the prayer first.
Stand up.
Okay, I think that's all for today and see you next meeting. Goodbye.